안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. These days, if you go to the market, you will see a lot of pumpkins because of pumpkin season. Recently, one of my viewers asked me how to make a pumpkin porridge, so I'm going to give it a try. Please make sure to watch until the end because there is a bonus video. Let's get started. Today, I have some pumpkins that I bought from the market. Are you wondering which type of pumpkin to buy for making pumpkin porridge? These are the most common types you can find in the United States. The first one is autumn gold pumpkin, which is often used for decoration and carving. This one is called butternut squash and is used in various dishes. Korean people usually use kabocha squash, danhoba, for making pumpkin porridge. So that's what I will use today. If you can't find kabocha squash, you can try with other types. Kabocha squash has tough skin, so it's difficult to peel with just a knife. To easily remove the skin, microwave it for about 4 to 5 minutes. This will make it easier to peel. After 5 minutes, cut it in half, remove the seeds with a spoon, and peel off the skin. Kabocha squash is rich in nutrients that can boost your immune system, provide antioxidants, and help prevent chronic diseases. Cut it into appropriate sized pieces. Place the sliced kabocha squash into a pot. Also cut the carrot into appropriate sized pieces. Adding carrots not only enhances the color of the porridge, but also make it even healthier. You can use sweet potatoes instead of carrots if you prefer. Add 4 to 5 cups of water to the pot, enough to cover the ingredients. Cover with a lid and let it simmer over medium heat for about 30 minutes. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour. Add a half cup of water. Mix well. After 30 minutes, the kabocha squash and carrots should be well cooked. If you have a potato masher, you can use it to mash them. For a smoother texture, you can use a hand blender or a regular blender. Be careful as the porridge may bubble up when boiling, so keep it on low heat until. Gradually add the glutinous rice flour mixture to the finely blended pumpkin porridge to adjust the thickness. Cover with a lid and simmer for a few more minutes. A few minutes later, add salt to taste. Properly seasoning your pumpkin porridge with salt can enhance the sweetness of the pumpkin. Make sure to salt it to your taste. Finally, garnish with crushed pine nuts. Sprinkle a bit of parsley. If you want it sweeter, you can add a bit of honey. A very delicious and healthy pumpkin porridge is done. In Korea, people sometimes make sealshim, mini rice cake balls, to go with their pumpkin porridge. To make them, mix 1 cup of glutinous rice flour with a pinch of salt. Add 6 tablespoons of hot water. After kneading the dough well, pinch off small pieces and roll them into small round balls. Once the rice cake balls are ready, boil them in boiling water until they float to the surface. When they are fully cooked, remove them and soak them in cold water. Then add them to the prepared pumpkin porridge and simmer for a while. This will make a delicious rice cake ball pumpkin porridge. Pumpkin porridge is not only easy to make, but also is good for health. What's your favorite soup or porridge? Please let me know in the comments below. If you think today's video is useful, please hit the like and subscription button. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.